Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Let's get this one on the way. Let me get you a little bit of box action. As you can see, this tag is seen better days. Let me adjust this camera a bit. Read this off the box. This is the Air Jordan 9 Retro, white, university blue, and black, aka the Jordan 9 Retro University Blues. Get this out of here. I've been wearing a lot of 9s recently, so I'm trying to keep at least each week 2 pairs of different 9s in my rotation. This is going to be this week's, well, one of this week's. I'm really starting to enjoy 9s again, so probably be wearing them for a while. The only thing I don't like is that cat fur gets stuck on there, like I'm taking off now. Just all around great shoe in my opinion. Jordan 9, you can't really go wrong. Some people don't like them, but I don't mind them. They last a very long time. If you take care of them, you'll have a pair of Jordan 9s for 10, 20 years easy. Just a little bit of upkeep. I don't know how old this shoe is either. I think this shoe might have came out in 2020 as well. So like I said, I'm trying to bring out some old shoes so we can break it up so we don't have the same shoes on everybody's channels. You guys can find some other stuff to watch, but I'm still going to have all of the recent releases too. I said I'm going to start going back to 1985 or 86 and pulling out some shoes that I haven't showed in a while. But the materials on this Jordan are completely outstanding. It has more of that shimmery material that you guys know I don't like. That's my only gripe with the Jordan 9, that they put this material on there. Excellent 23. And the world on the back, the globe, all of university blue. Standard Jordan 9 bottom. My opinion, like I said, this is just a great all-around Jordy. It's an everyday wearing Jordy. So like I said, in case you want to just throw something on to go outside or whatever, with the white, the black, and the blue, you can't really beat it. Like I said, let me give you guys another look at this back. This back of this shoe is completely outstanding with the University Blue 23 and globe. Guys, you know what time it is. Let me give you a look at the shoe. What it's going to look like when the shoe's on your foot. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!